Hello and welcome to this short video about Jaguar XK8, Where's My Engine Number? This is video 50 in my series of XK8 videos. In this video, I'm going to show you where to find your engine number. I'll show you how I find mine on my pre-2001 car, how to interpret that number code, 2 key dates, engine number dates, up to model year 2002, and also the different position of the engine number for post-model year 2001 cars. For those who haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to see more XK8 videos, please ring the bell. It'll remind you that the video is just being released. And please like, comment, and share. Okay, on to the business. So the first place to look for your engine number is in your documents. Don't bother getting your hands dirty. The engine number is clearly written in your V50 registration document if you're in the UK. It'll also be on your used vehicle invoice or your new vehicle invoice if you're lucky enough to have a new one. And also within the service history, in the vehicle identification page of the service history, you'll see the engine number detailed there. So first place, have a look at your engine number. It doesn't always guarantee the engine hasn't been changed, but the first place I recommend is looking at your documents. Okay, so where is the engine number? It's actually located down here. I put a light here to help trying to view it. See if we can get a good view of it. There you go. Can you see it there? It's literally down there. You should be able to see it in between the cooling tower or the coolant tower and the left-hand cam cover, and you can see my number there, 9611061933. So as I say, my number 9611061933. What does that mean? Okay, so the number isn't a sequential number, it's actually a date and a time. The first and second digits are the year of manufacture, the third and fourth digits the month, fifth and sixth the date, and then you got seventh and eighth of the hour, ninth and 10th of the minute. So the interpretation of my engine number is the engine was made in 1996 in November the 6th at 7:33 or 1933, quite late actually. So 6th of November 1996, 7:30 p.m. That's how you interpret your engine number. First key date then for engine number is Nikasil. Nikasil liner engines stopped being produced from the 18th of August 2000 at 10:43 a.m. So if you have an engine number after 000818:10:43, your car will have steel liners. And this is basically post-model year 2001. But you've got to be sure to get your engine number. The second key date is 0108130000. This is the metal tensioners in your cam chain timing. From the 13th of August 2001 at midnight, basically model year 2002 cars, all the engines were built with metal or the Rev 3 metal cam chain tensioners. So the engine number on my car up to model year 2001, as seen on the right here in B, is located on the surface to the left hand side of the water tower between the cam cover, and it can be viewed from above. If you have an engine from model year 2001, it's actually located on a vertical rib on the left hand side of the block just above the steering rack, and the number can only be viewed from underneath the engine. Okay, there you go. Hope that's useful to you. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you'd like to see more XK videos.